I'm Michelle Farber, registered dietitian and chef, and I use rice cauliflower in ground meat dishes to cut total fat, cholesterol, and to save some money. Today we're going to make easy weeknight tacos, and at the end of this video, I'll share 3 more ways you can use rice cauliflower in ground meat dishes. For the ingredients for easy weeknight tacos, we have about half an onion, diced, 2 garlic cloves, crushed, a pound of ground meat. I'm using ground turkey. You can also use ground beef. 1 cup of riced cauliflower, and you buy it in your freezer section. This is from Trader Joe's. You can get it at any major grocery store. About 1/4 cup of water and a taco seasoning of your choice. First, let's add the olive oil to our skillet, coat the bottom, and then heat it over medium-high heat until it's shimmering. Then add the diced onion to the pan and saute it a few minutes until golden brown. At that point, let's add in the ground meat and chop it up and saute it until it's just about cooked through. It does take some effort here. Then I add in the crushed garlic and incorporate that. Today I'm using prepared garlic pods, and I'll put a link in the comments to a short about the product that I use. Now we're going to add our secret ingredient, the riced cauliflower. I use this straight from the freezer. And then stir it around, let the cauliflower steam, and incorporate the meat and cauliflower together. I'm telling you, no one is gonna know this cauliflower is even in here. Next, we'll pour the water over the meat mixture, and then sprinkle on about 2 tablespoons of your favorite taco seasoning, or to taste. Some people like it spicier. I use a taco seasoning from All Recipes, and I'll put a link to it in the description of this video. I stir this until it's well incorporated, and then put a lid on your pan and let the meat steam in there for about 5 minutes. After that, the meat is moist, the flavor is set in, and it's dinner time. Use it to fill hard taco shells or tortillas, and top with your favorite toppings. Doesn't that look delish? And my kids have no idea they're eating cauliflower. You can use rice cauliflower in all sorts of ground meat dishes, like chili, lettuce wraps, meat sauce for pasta, and even shepherd's pie. If you enjoyed this video today, please subscribe and join our community, and join us back here to cook and talk more about nutrition.